Let's see how to differentiate or separate the letters and numbers from each of these cells. Yeah. First, an easiest way to do that is, suppose you have 1 lakh lines or 1000 lines with similar concatenated data. How can you do that? So write the way you want in the first line. So I want A B C D to appear in the first cell. Second cell should say 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4 5, and last one E F G H. Yeah. Now see, the same way, how can I do that? Yeah. So come to the last blank cell. Yeah. Press Control E. Yeah, in each of the sections. Yeah, you're done. Thank you.